Hi, my name is Savannah. My Google account got suspended in May and I was terrified. 80% of my business came from Google Ads, Google local service ads. I didn't know what to do. I did a million Google searches. I was like, okay, let me figure this out on my own. And it just became more and more complicated. There's a big appeal process that has to be done. You want to get the first one in correctly because otherwise it can kind of screw up the whole thing and take much longer. And when I called John, he assured me that one, he was proficient in the process, two, that he would do his best to get it unsuspended, and he did. Within 3 or 4 months, it did get unsuspended, and that wasn't due to John and his lack of trying. Google just happens to take a while to get back to you. It's a process. I certainly would not recommend doing it alone, and I would absolutely recommend hiring StubGroup to handle your appeal. It made my life a million times easier. They took 100% of the stress away, besides the fact that I didn't know if I'd ever get it back. But I did in fact get it back, and I am so, so grateful to StubGroup. So thanks, John.